Golden Circle is a new initiative that we are launching to recognize sales and letting associates for their input towards the company. At RE/MAX, we understand that many agents do a lot of important work that is foundational to the success of the company. We believe that the small tasks that you do every day are what makes our agents stand out from the rest and be the best on the market. With this in mind, we will be recognizing 12% of the network for their outstanding performance on a quarterly basis. This initiative is not only about your commissions or the number of transactions or your own listing sold. It's about the multitude of effort you make in your everyday life at RE/MAX. Listing updates, new inspections, price reductions, testimonials, and much more. Everyone will be ranked according to the highest performer in each category, and those agents that achieve the highest accumulative scores will be inducted into the Golden Circle for 3 months based on their score on the last day of that quarter. The beauty of this ranking system is that in real time, you will be able to know if you are in the Golden Circle or not. And we're also going to give you a very good understanding of what you need to do to get into the circle. All inductees will be recognized during a ceremony with a certificate and a lapel pin, but they will also benefit from being included in focus groups, key speaker events, and will also have the opportunity to do specialized training in social media and other skill sets. The name of the game is that besides your sales and letting numbers, your activities on Fusion, your customer service, and other contributions to the company will make a difference in your ranking. Good luck, and on behalf of RE/MAX Malta, I'd like to thank you all for being such great ambassadors of the brand, and I look forward to seeing you in the Golden Circle.